This clean, low-kilometre 2010 Toyota RAV4 shows well and is winter-ready with snow tires installed, four-wheel drive, and Weathertech custom mats in place. From the back, the RAV has a hatch-mounted spare tire, rear-mounted antenna, rear spoiler, and tinted glass. Opening the hatch reveals a large carpeted cargo area that includes a security cover and protective mat. From the driver's side, this compact 4x4 looks sharp with chrome accent trim, full-length running boards, a roof rack, and fog lights. Inside the cabin, you'll find form-fitting cloth seats along with air conditioning, power windows and locks, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, push-button start, cruise control, a Power Moonroof, and an AM, FM, CD, SAT radio audio system. The upholstery is in top condition, and in the back there's seating for three, a drop-down center console, and 60/40 fold-down seat backs. The engine bay is freshly detailed, and power comes from a fuel-efficient 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission. RAV4s this nice are in high demand. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.